Okay, welcome guys. So today I'll be showing you how you can join the Pamalog bot and earn money for yourself. I think this will only work for Nigerians, as the person who showed me evidence of making a withdrawal from this platform is in Nigeria, and basically I've engaged in it, and most of the terms are the payments you get and all are in naira, not in dollars. So basically I feel is a Nigerian platform or something. But then again, all you need to do is to first of all start the bot. Upon starting the bot, you have all these long notes. You can go through it at your own convenient time, so I don't bore you up with reading too many, but basically it talks about how you can basically earn with the bot and everything, then, and how you can also benefit more. Then I will be dropping the link of this platform down the description of this video or the pinned comment, and also on the Telegram channel, so that you can quickly jump on it. Then you get a reward every 1 minute. 1,000 naira. You get 1,000 naira every 1 minute. This is around 70 cents in dollars, based on the current exchange rate in Nigeria now. So this is all you get. You get to get more when you subscribe to their YouTube channel. You have tax and everything. You get to do more. But let me just quickly do some of the activities for today, so that you see. And then again, you get to withdraw your money every month end. So you quickly click. As you can see, this is towards the ending of the month, and they are requesting for withdrawal, and the withdrawal every process is what is up there. So everything is talking about withdrawal for now, and this is a video for the withdrawal. I think they are in the withdrawing process, so everything for now is all about withdrawal. Let me check my balance and see. So okay, yes, we have this right here. So if you click Plama on reward, you see I've received 1,000, and it's telling me I should come back every 1 minute. 2,600 naira is around 94,800, and it's saying withdrawable on Friday 7th of June. As you can see, only if you have more than 5 referrals. You have 2 referrals now, so I need to have more than 5 referrals to make a withdrawal. So guys, quickly jump on it, so that I can also make a withdrawal and send this to you, so that you can also see. I'll make a live video, so that you can also partake of it as well. So that will be all guys. See you in our next video.